Surface area. Surface area is the sum of the areas of all the outside faces of a 3D figure. To find the surface area, you must find the area of each face of the figure and then add them all together. So let's look at this one. What type of 3D figure is pictured here? We actually have a rectangular prism. And then how many surfaces are there? Well, there's a left side and a right side, a top, a back, a bottom, and a front. So there are 6 different surfaces. And how do you find the area of each surface? Well, you would multiply the length and width of each resulting rectangle from that face. And then we're just going to add all of these areas together. An extra strategy that can be used to help better understand what each face represents and their measurements is by drawing a net or unfolding the prism that you have, or the solid that you have. So this rectangular prism produces this net that's shown here. We can find the area of each of these rectangles, can't we? Yeah, sure, why not? So let's figure out the area of face 1 here. So number 1, its length corresponds to the 7 inches down there. So I'm going to rewrite it, 7 inches by 6 inches. So this area is 7 inches times 6 inches, which will be 42 square inches for this area taken care of. Okay, now let's look at area number 2 over here. Its length here is 6 inches because it corresponds to this side, which is also 6. So its length is 6, and its width right here goes to the 2 inches right there. So 6 times 2 is 12 square inches for this area. Now let's look at area 3 right here. Its length is the 7 inches and its width is 2 inches. So area number 3, area equals 7 times 2, which is 14 square inches. So this is taken care of, and we also did this one. Now let's look at 4. Well, area 4 has a width of 2 and a length of 6. So number 4 have an area of 6 and 2. Or 12 square inches. And notice that area 2 and 4 are equivalent. They are the same. And now let's find the area of number 5. Area of number 5 has a length of 7 inches and a width of 6 inches. So number 5, 7 times 6, which is 42 square inches. And again, notice these two are both the same. And then number 6, its area is 7 inches by 2 inches, or 14 inches, or 14 square inches. And then we would find the entire surface area of this solid by adding all of these together. So if we add up 42, 12, 14, 12, 42, and 14, we end up getting 136 square inches as the entire surface area. Let's try another problem. Find the surface area of the figure using the given net. Well, this is the net of a square pyramid. And a square pyramid consists of 4 triangles and 1 square. So the square has an area of length times width. And a square's length is the same as its width. So this is also 15 centimeters. Therefore, the area of this square is going to be 15 times 15, which is 225 square centimeters. All right, so we have 4 triangles. So our 4 triangles all have a base of length 15. So we have 1/2, base is 15, and its height is what's showing here. So this height here will be equivalent to the 12 that we have listed up here. And all of these triangles are the same. So instead of writing this out 4 times and adding them, you can multiply this formula by 4, since there are 4 triangles that have the same base and the same height. So 4 times 1/2 is 2. 2 times 15 times 12 would simplify to 30 times 12, which is 360 square centimeters. And then if we add up 360 and 225, we will get the entire surface area of 585 square centimeters.